Why can't we join hands together? What have you been benefiting from Nigeria? What have you been benefiting from all this Fulani caliphate? Just to transform our land, just to turn our land to Islamic nation. Is that all you want? No, it can never work. And by the power bestowed upon me by my master, Triple General, all the whole commanders in 40 states of Biafra, listen and listen very carefully. Anywhere you see an Igbo man practicing or being a full member of Islam in Igbo land, deal with that person. Don't deal with that person and look back. Because they have killed us enough. They have slaughtered Christians enough. We only have 3 major worship in Igbo land. 1, Jewish. Secondly, we accept Christian. But we know that Christian is a thing that they brought to us. Just to use it and deceive us. We accept it. 3, our culture. Our Delala. That these are the 3 major worshippers that we have in this Igbo land. Nothing like Igbo Muslim. Hear it out. Nothing like Igbo Muslim. They thought they have killed us so that they can be able to establish all their goals, all their plans in Biafra land. You people have never killed us, so when I never finish our junior ones itself, the little ones, talk less of touching the grown-up ones before getting to us. Oh, John Atokun, we are still alive.